طيب الآن نتكلم what is the primary key in a table. طبعا table was an entity or something that exists here. قلنا مثلا لو قلنا هذا student table، خلينا أجيبه هنا بس عشان أشرح عليه. student table بيكون له columns rows، فالكولوم هنا name student ID student name maybe student age. مثل ما قلت think of it as an Excel sheet with header. student name student بعدين هنا الداتا، هنا 1 data، هنا 2 second row third row، فهنا 1 2 3 سامي this sorry this is age this is something 1 2 4 name Sarah 17 whatever. الشكل هذا هو tables. هذا هنا اللي بيكون student، هذا هو التيبل اسمه student table مثلا. entity داخل اللي هو database system table basically think of it as a table. طيب في tables داخل database we can select one column or two columns together. Okay, 1 or 2 or more, but we can select one column and say to the database, please treat this column as a primary key for table student. What does this mean? It means that student ID should be unique. يعني if a user or some program try to enter another 1 2 3 as a student ID، DBMS بيرفض، يقول له please check your code، يعطيه dump. You cannot put 1 3 2 because it's a primary key, sorry again. This is a primary key and should be always be unique. So this is one of the benefit of primary key is that it enforces data integrity, they call it نظافة الداتا. إنما في another student ID get inside وتعطي اسم ثاني مثلا، يقول له 1 2 3 اسمه محمد، يقول لك sorry student ID is already exist هنا موجود and you can't use it anymore because this is a primary key column. This column is a primary key. This is one of the benefit primary key. This is benefit of one of the benefits of primary key. The other benefit of primary key is it's very fast user. You can search with it is DBMS index the database using this primary key. So what that means is ممكن تبحث بشكل سريع جدا. DBMS لو قلت لي مثلا بحث لي عن الطالب 1 search 1 2 3 student ID 1 2 3 and table student. طبعا I'll show you how to write this in SQL, but this is basically it. انك search something and table something, or insert data and table something student. هذه بسكلي السكيول يعني بشكل مبسط. لما أقول search 1 2 3 using student where student ID equal 1 2 3 بما أنه primary key حق بما أن student ID is primary key في التابل هذا student, the search will be very very fast. يعني هو عنده one of خصائص ال DBMS إن it will help us in that في السيرش. DBMS بيساعدنا كثير في السيرش. وكيف نحدد له احنا which field is important for our search. Usually when we create a table we'll tell it what make each entry in this table unique when searching is this column for me student ID. بحيث ان اذا قلت لك ابغى النيم حق student I usually give you a student ID لان هو اليونيك. It's what uniquely identify one line in a row of that table. So primary key is the column. Primary key is the column in the table that will make sure that each row is unique. And I can access the table through primary key. I can access through other also. For example, if I search by student, if I search by student name equal مثلا Sarah, it will take a long time to search for it. The other thing is there's many Sarah maybe. It will return from مثلا 10 Sarah. So it's okay يعني if I need all Sarah, all the students whose name are Sarah to be returned to me, it's okay. لكن the thing is search becomes slow because student name here, the column here, is not a primary key. Because when you highlight something as a primary key, DBMS will do some background job, so it will index it will create indexes using this primary key, which will make very fast search algorithm. I don't have to care about this. All what I have to care and understand now that each table in the database must have primary key. This is one of the good design concept in the key. You must have a key to access any table. Fast and to يعني يكون row unique for each entry. I don't want duplicate. This is the idea of primary key. So primary key is one column or two together. For example, ممكن تقول والله مش student ID, I need a student ID and the student name together form the key or the unique key that will identify a row uniquely. يعني يمكن student name or ID not a good example for composite. They call it composite primary key. يعني مثلا لو قلنا عندكم لو قلنا another table مثلا I need a course ID course or student name, student ID to get the grade of a student. if I create a table called مثلا grades, and this is a simple example, student ID is not enough for sure. I need something else with it عشان I get the grade. So if I created such table, I must say to it, please consider these two together as a key. If I create such table, then course number, my student ID should give me the grade. This is another example. Hopefully you understand now what's the primary key, what's its use. So primary key is one column or two or three together that uniquely identify the rows in a table, so I can access them fastly, and I will return only one. It will make sure that only one such entry exists in a table.